This is Silverback. I was out on the creek this morning and took this video so that I'd have something to practice editing and uploading videos so I can get my YouTube channel started. This is just practice run. Enjoy.
Out here fishing this morning. Got ducks flying. Brought the shotgun and the duck call just in case. It's been a long time since I duck hunted, but I bought the stamp this year, so I figured I might as well go ahead and try some. I'm in a little patch of woods on the creek here, trying to stay camouflaged as best I can in this sand dune colored white Hobie kayak. Probably not gonna work too good, but might be fun to see if we can't just call a few in anyway. I got two circling here. They're looking for who I'm calling. I ain't got no decoys. It's amazing they're even circling as bright white as this kayak is. Now the wind picked up, it's fixing to blow me right out in the middle of the creek. Apologize for the shakiness here, but it's a little cold and I don't have the proper equipment for doing this yet, so I'm filming on my phone. Check back in if I get some more ducks coming in. It started raining. Probably going to keep raining according to the weather. And it's in the 40s. And I pedaled through a little bit of ice to get here. So I'm thinking I probably better head back to the truck. Give you guys one last look around. Just kind of want to introduce myself with this first video. And maybe I can get some equipment where you guys can actually see me doing something. If I'd have called some ducks in close enough to maybe get a shot, you wouldn't have been able to see that anyway. So, enjoy one more look around the creek here, and I'm headed back to the truck. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but there was a group of about 9 just flew right through the top of those trees across the creek there, just behind it. So the ducks are still flying. It's probably 9:30. I was hoping it wouldn't start raining until maybe 11 o'clock or so, but that's the way it is sometimes.
That's all I got for today. I'll talk to you guys later. God bless and enjoy the great outdoors.